morning.
Good morning.
So what are we doing today?
We're doing what we eat in a day as a vegan
And non-vegan.
and non-vegan couple. Starting with coffee. Always coffee.
Nom.
So, I have my smoothie, which is what I almost always eat for breakfast. If I don't have time to make a smoothie, I just eat a banana and coffee. But Aaron, why aren't you having a smoothie?
Because when I got off work this morning, I just stopped at Burger King and had me a couple of croissant, which is...
You had a couple croissant sandwiches?
It's 2 for $4.
You had one?
No, two. Sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches.
So Aaron works nights, so his day starts a lot earlier than my day. So actually, when we have breakfast, quote, breakfast, do quotes, quote, breakfast, it's my breakfast, but it's like his dinner, almost.
Lunch. Like, I would really love a good burger after I get off of work, but nobody's open with burgers.
At 9 a.m.
Yeah.
So, he gets his Taco Bell or Burger King or McDonald's or whatever
It's usually Burger King or Taco Bell.
in the morning, and then I have my smoothie. So, that's how we start the morning. Okay.
Can I eat my food now?
Okay. What do you think of the vegan chicken?
It's not bad. Tastes like chicken, but not chicken at the same time, if that makes sense.
But, of course, you have your
Real chicken!
chicken pot stickers on the side. Is that what makes it better?
Yeah, that's gonna be like 10 times better now that it's gonna be a bomb.
This is my homemade vegan kimchi. Super good, super good. Got a big batch, big old batch here of it. And actually, this is the second jar.
batch of a smell.
Aaron doesn't like kimchi or the smell of kimchi, do you? He hates when I eat it, actually.
Oh, the whole place smells nasty.
But it's so good. It's so good.
Yes, yes. Dorking out.
So, Tori's prepping dinner. We are making pizza tonight, and she is making our most favorite, well, my most favorite homemade pizza dough. So like, give me a second. Let me turn around here. So, babe, how do you make it?
It's a secret.
Oh no, that's just dirty. Come on.
No, it is a secret. You can't know.
I can't know.
Secret, no. Okay, it is my secret recipe, but I will divulge it if you guys comment below and tell me that you want to know the recipe. So, there, how about that?
How about we give them a goal?
Like, what? What do you mean?
Like, maybe like so many comments, so many likes, so many subscribers, something like that.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. So actually, we're close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you comment below and tell me that you want to know the recipe and subscribe and we hit 1,000 subscribers, then Aaron and I will do a pizza video and we'll show you our secret recipe pizza crust. That's Aaron's favorite.
Yes.
So how about that?
Sounds like a plan to me.
Okay.
Alright.
Sounds good. So comment, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your mom to subscribe, tell your cat to subscribe. Everybody subscribe. So I went and got freshened up because we're having a family game night tonight. So everybody's here and we're making the pizza as Aaron showed you earlier. I'm making some pizza, and with the same dough I'm making some garlic knots. And then we're also gonna make some cauliflower buffalo wings, and my sister, she's here. She's helping me make some salsa. So we're making some
Homemade salsa.
homemade pico de gallo.
The best.
Are we making guac tonight too?
Yeah, we'll probably make some guac.
Okay,
too.
we'll make some guac tonight. Getting ready, guys. Do you know tomorrow is Super Bowl Sunday? BT Dub, 2018 Super Bowl Sunday. Not that I care that much, to be honest.
Yeah.
But, you know, some people do. And so anyway, so we're just getting ready, making all the Super Bowl-y type foods, I guess. Starting the game night already, Monopoly. So anyway, yeah, so we're making the pizza, guac, all the good things. The breading that you made for these, Tori, was delicious. What do you have on your pizza here?
I have vegan sausage with fennel seeds. That makes it taste like deliciousness. It tastes like real sausage at that point. Then I've got mushrooms, pizza sauce, and real mozzarella cheese.
Okay,
Because like,
so it's not vegan.
no, it's not vegan. It's
No.
vegetarian.
Okay. Hey, that's all right. That's a step, right? Sort of.
In the wrong direction, but yes.
Okay.
Right, so let's go from the left in the bowl to the
left?
right.
Okay.
Yep, bottom
So
row
we've
is
got-
towards me.
Barbecue cauliflower wings. We've got margarita pizza, vegan. This one is just like a veggie and pineapple vegan pizza. This one is a sausage mushroom vegan pizza. That one is a sausage mushroom vegetarian pizza. This one is a barbecue vegan pizza. And those are some buffalo cauliflower wings. All the things. All the good things.
All the things
now
are
we're all
noms.
gonna dig in. We've got chips and
For the
salsa
most part.
too that we'll be digging into. We made garlic knots, but we basically devoured those already.
Yeah.
So,
I'll show you all a quick glimpse of that real quick. It
tiny bit
is
of garlic knot.
right there.
The aftermath.
That's what's left.
What's
Four
left over of some
knots are left from
garlic
the whole
knots.
ring.
Yeah. So anyways, we're about to just munch. We're gonna munch on all of this, and we're gonna play some
Monopoly.
and that's about it.
Dum,
So
dum, dum.
that's what we ate today. This is what we ate today. Tell me again what you said, Dad.
Lori, the marguerite is absolutely delicious. I'm positive these others will be even better.
That
Yay!
right there is the best.
Is it?
Is it the best babe? Which one was it?
Mine
The sausage.
with real cheese.
Everybody's eating their pizza.
Mine's gone.
Love it. I'm gonna eat on mine too.